And me young beautiful girl be akota ware so a ebu aka ne sim woni interview bi a metie wo se ono die wo be ka kire oba bia se o sese usi so enta ware so da aso ye show se tama wo ko ena ma no kakrakri bi si ano na kameka se aye enkwa koye me di wo mu se ade bia wonko mu da no obi tira bonti no tu hufo wa hwe obedi se di pa ne pe oboni ba me ka chon penifo na kwa juro ti o be me bia nyame a chese wo ye den wo ya kokora be ma ya kokora papa ye oye papa pani wo ya besiwa wo ya kokora na yire ne mranti bre mu yire no ne wo ho no ni pese di oti bia sa bre no wo wari oba no ni yi se amankwa ni edu na wo mo oba na ye eto hu na sisi ana wa ye fresh na still we is also wa dia kati be si uso na sa bre na we use we wie no we winter be jaw na so be na hire wo hone se nipa no manya problem so pentam ko hyew atore bia ye hona makono bone atore bia ye pentam nya ye hunti atore bia ye pentam nya positions binti Bible say onye wi ase nyina na ohwere wo kra aba be meri ari ya pa na benya atore bia no wo se wa unia sa wo de wo second twa wo ho ade na ho moja na mfa ho kala mfa ho race emfa ho baby ujira emfa ho dibia said ye wo bi ya de a eye ne ya saa so na wo so ye de wo be ye wo ye we are in susu e ma bebre wo no wenne omo press omo beton grofo aware yeso ni nyina ye hwe ye komo because e komo anya say de wo nya wa kom e ya ware ye kom e ye pentamenya ye ho kom ye pentamenya ahyeni baso kom ye pe society nyina ye wo wenya baby e gira ho kom and I didn't conform me. Baby, I didn't come and I didn't conform me because I don't come on a day. Why would you want to destroy somebody's relationship? Why would you want to be the other woman? Why would you want to be the other? I was say, how many men and they are willing say, or me are willing and happy and death will be people say, oh, date you be here? Oh, date you be girlfriend? And remember where to do then I am a come mama and auntie. Remember, so who's a baby, a date you be here. A date you be girlfriend or really big can wait at home. As what baby anybody in the dear say, because you come was as we mean, we are Mussini. Bet me no once number baby. I go what your first wife, I go your second wife, I go your third wife, I go your fourth wife, I go your fifth wife, I go your seventh wife. Oh, when your 10th wife, I will pay. Then say, momentarily. Bible said, dear Bena Benya, dear Bena. What would it to Yamia Samoswa? It is saying, I saw for about Miss Ramo, Yamu. It's me and fun say we are sending one we are sending when you probably will hold one. You probably was sorry than my penya me some crotching it here and penya me some cruelty and Kenya me some and a rather. Yadani, you know, Yadani preaching in our prosperity. Open your prosperity in you. But no customer the Bible says, seek ye first the kingdom of God and all its righteousness. It's first the kingdom, a prerequisite kingdom no first, and the second its righteousness. Now say and all other things, and I said every other thing shall be added unto you. So what you say, Yamia, Yamin, the cheaper, Yamin funded the name Camel. Obama Bishop. Say Juma Panaway. Bible says when son with Juma Bishop. One Casa Uber man, what Tomadia took on a deal, Casa no sooner, Ubisha, was someone son with Juma Bishop. That's no bar, what ye Juma, you may be a wee beer. You won't conform a good TDI. You uncle perverse mind. Oh my genius say, oh my genius saying, and then the last time I make it says that one customer corner and Bruce and the people are inventing things. We are inventing new forms of evil. We want to do things that almost a need idea with you. Yeah, we are sure someone to be an talking about some. Hey, me I mean something. Now wait there, I go for us on my beating. Almost something can be because a new man nipa you I didn't know and say, oh, you should come in. Then you mean quite more. No one pay up. Lazarus Dina Michi. Bible say, Lazarus odi nyame achi na odo sikeni ni gate no ebre osikeni ni didi wi eno na wodi yanka wo ba bia de se Lazarus ye na so Lazarus wo ye okọ heaven na Bible say osikeni no wodi die ne ko ma to ne yam oto mpo minyini se no woni so wo kura wo ba bi na nka tomatemu na so Bible say minnim kura ye nim nipa ba ko a wakọ hell eye se sikeni na anu me hu young beautiful girl bia akota ware so a ebu aka ne sim woni interview bia metie o si ono die obeka kire oba bia se o sese usi so enta ware so da aso ye shi o setama wo ko ena manu kakrakai bi shi anu na kameka se aye enkwa koye me di wo mu se ade bia wonko mu da no obi tira bonti no tu hufo wa hwe obedi se di pa ne pe oboni ba me ka chon penifo na kwa juro nti o be me bia nyame a chese wo ye den be yakokora be ma yakokora papa ye oye papa pani oya besiwa oye kokora na yire ne mranti bre mu yire no ne wo ho no ni pese di oti bia sa bre no wo wa de oba no yi ti se amankwa ne edu na wa mo oba na ye eti ohun na sisi ana wa ye fresh na still we is so wa de akati be si so na sa bre na we use we wi no we winter mejaw na fe social media me say ma make any obi be fa pen paper abedi di matam kama oh na me nyo bi as how etu ya me ha me then I have a Monday to tell you whether or not to say ubeti ana unti that is your own business but I'm telling you o are ba kokra enough o are ukunkwa oni ukuntin mbema bibiri ti ko twen prince emsa so ba emma na omutimi kro omukunu mu ware bi nka omukro omu na ye wo a wabo wani bidie aye wadwe se me mu de me koji atambeni ase anya hwekura Bible say obeba bi enya wonu ankasa na yire obeba bi enya wonu ankasa ni ku a wonye ne head na waye wadwe se okwa akotare ho na onya okana no bi so timi yen se eye se be dru ba bi no emma 27 be ka che be ma ba ko so fato oka 27 no oka 27 so na the same time so be emma 27 nipo odi kan no your first wife nipa odi kan no first wife sanso na oso gina ho na no hu se onu abi awahwe onu ko ani de na na ede go bo atachi e be ba be shoot mu hande e ho na be hu se se wi ase e na okwa ya hwehwe nyame e bra yiti ase wo kan se gubu bibia beti ase we yi betimi edru ya start January ye nu ba bia e maya e wu nyasem ketwa na this very year e 2020 e ye nkrofo be wu papa e ye penifo de be wu e ye maya emu ane maya wa obe bata urade wa obe sule urade wa di ujam kura obe shim kura na ye free wuti eja ho na wa ye so yo be bo abra bo biara yo pe bia obeye bia wo free no boni yo ya ma me kan so ni pe bia wo tisia na se wo be ni news so everybody has a head. Who is your head? Who controls you? Who grounds you? Why the boa wo ma wotimi tina se ye papa? Why the tibi se someone drink free body ho? Why the betimi ne wakasa obeja? Sa wo kwa sorry na so for preaching me be preaching ya so me be ebre. Wo be ma na be ma ni bia. Wo so said your baby share sa be ma na wo na. And when you kamera no. Said your baby share no na sa be ma ni gina ye na wo pe na akosha ho bi no. Sa so na wo so fa be ma. Na be ma no pe. Wo ni nyina nhyase. E ma kwadwofuo mehuhufo e man jantrafo aba ye pebrenti no da bia ye pese grofo de e na ekotitare ho me nye se ye be pese me kachiro no ho se be utare obi go wan won so guje because da bia wo no de na the time bomb wa na wo koji obi de ne first one osu ye hu no osu you know I mean answer you were bringing something better to the home so na also second wife so by no no to the end so e so na second wife one so san obe fele san third one so be fele san fourth so be fifth ma me kan jiro de ade ye obi he na me yede bo obe na me yede go bo tachi e be ba be shoot trim one day e ho na obe hu se wi asenche obe bu ko no kura o hu se be bi ne yede nya se obe ka chen se me ne me yede ku ya na me yede ye se na ho na obe pretend so no de or the best of wives or the best of idea obe bi aye po as we see obaby ayepe ha me kan so obaby ayepe obaby apentokwa obaby emuade obaby hoto bi onu adwere obaby ho ntimi ne eni huni eti of course ubetime nyina but you can't get everything It is a combination of so many Iranian. Sunday, is angry, so subentem, a poshaponum. I will for a non Mount Samuti. When you sell back, I could do a big one here. Mammy, but bon son. Nature charge Ubano legend freeze again. If the bear no me the Ubaneti and the war which I want to have swinging at you. A baby, no more Siamuno. I will be any one more Benyan and Niku. I just will be cool of Pacoto. And I said, this will tower there so. They are the papa. Mammy, and then my mother be one. So you are seeing that's a wish to Ukrainian. A boy, I will cousin you, Miss Minyamu, I will you. That the woman said, the old boy, I be a deal. The bedroom no be so one and the ayo. Now a year won't go on dear. Now there is any panelage. So I won't go to be a warrior, so now could have a kitchen and now for yaking call. That's a way a new man, hey, here, but you so, oh no, I get to what do you say? They will situations at 10 years now. If you walk around by your ship, who do you be going to? Why you be a crown? A sexually transmitted diseases and pound. Now the audio year granted if you cry. The cool to me come up watching your brain. Now, why wouldn't be say, the concubines the dorsal, the year no dorsal, the girlfriends the dorsal, and so service me crack home. Hey, Libra and answer them, Mammy, ya quite a no wood to tell her by so. Bible said, will be biara. Don't see it's any panel. Oh, guy I'm dating me sure say or yeah insecure. Oh yes, that's the truth. And no kurano. No kurane woman say ni pano you're insecure. That is the truth. Or you're so insecure about your relationship, say, or let's say you are out there to get at him and as a get at her. So what you boyfriend? What you kunda? And no see your pelpa. O boyfriend no see any johopa, no see any joho or door walk or can't be and my crowd say, this guy really loves me, this girl really loves me. And I eventually watching this on you be on. Yes, you might meet another person or not so bad prophecy same and if you cry on only the other year more, I love you. I am doing effortlessly to do a lot of things for you, but because of the things you have been through with the other person, Minty, you might not even have confidence enough in your own self. It is a living with somebody who has been cheated on before. Send say already my worry. Only obia and I said living with somebody who has been cheated on. Yes, that's how literally I can put it. Somebody who has gone through a very painful divorce or a very painful breakup. Those things need to be looked at very well because any individual has a background. Said when you be na a young person, a lot of people would want to say, oh, I want somebody who has done this. People be a wako school, people be a western, people be a unima de kaka, people be a nini be kaka, people be or beko and as or into academia, ubi to say people be a or business, ubuhon most people be a or lay person like Ubia Afi no Shasi, I mean I may be born in as much as a walker as a person who could choose you, but you don't just choose anybody, but you choose somebody with a background you are interested in. Sana, you also have to be interested in your partner's background. A lot of us make mistakes in our relationships based on the fact that we do not take time to investigate what our partners have been through with. Listen, you kind of say somebody might think that is it so necessary that I'm going to date somebody, I need to investigate about the person. Is it necessary? Do I need to do that? So if I don't do it, won't that relationship work? I'm not saying that your partner should tell you the secrets, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about you knowing your partner well in order to have some patience, in order to understand that person to a certain level. When if eventually you have problems and other challenges in your relationships, a lot of people do not take time to do that. And you'll be or date will be only will be or date will be only will be or necessarily pan or be a giant. And I said that person has gone through very painful divorce, and I said breakup. What it tells that person, even though the person might not be able to voice it out, it's just that person has gone through rejection before. and being rejected by someone, whether they your fault and as a nipa fault, it comes with consequences. So nipa no reject you, so when I rejecting, obviously your confidence is still very intact, your self-esteem is very intact. But say what ekobana say nipa no reject you, especially say when you be honest nipa no date you be that no date nipa no be a nipa no kochi no say nipa na fanichi. Straight up, nipa no all problem. Psychologically, the person has some problem. It will make yes about them. But nipa because of their feminine, you know, who be as a nipa a potential person or bet me a head in some way. If I've been rejected before and I'm saying I'll be paranoid. Your movement, I will need certain explanations to know. Maybe I will need to understand you more. Ebi honoma I will phone da honoma say nipa na many honomo na ni phone so and I say there were certain things I kept mute about it and as I didn't pay attention to it and it affected me. So many will be for phone and here. I'll be much interested in nipa phone. So what goes on there? The exes and as I said the other person, you know, saying the ex been on any years. I'll be much interested in those ones. So I am telling you, all of you, say if you are dating Obia, why you hurt before, why go through a very painful divorce, it is up to you, sweet. Men can say who is here, it's very necessary. So we'll be explaining certain things for the person to understand you. Say ubetini panase, Obia say obi kochi, wakochi boyfriend, so on your bad ho, wakochi ukunda, so on your bad ho, wakochi girlfriend.